You're eating $1 billion idea. That started as raw meat under a saddle. Yeah, not grilled, not seasoned, pressed under a horse. Sounds wrong, right? But that strange survival trick is the reason burgers exist today. And once you see the full story, you won't look at a burger the same way again. Picture this. Wide open land, freezing wind, nomadic warriors riding for hours, sometimes days, no kitchens, no time, no luxury. They needed food that could survive the journey, just like they did. So they took raw meat and placed it under their saddles. As the horses moved, the pressure broke it down, the heat softened it. By the time they stopped, it was tender, ready to eat, not delicious, not pretty, but it kept them alive. Now here's where things shift. That idea didn't stay there. It traveled quietly, slowly, from Central Asia into Europe. Eventually, it reached a port city in Germany, Hamburg. And this is where survival turns into something better. People there took that same concept, but improved it. They minced the meat properly, added spices, cooked it. Now it had flavor. Now it had identity. They called it Hamburg steak. Still no bun, still no burger as you know it. But we're getting close. Now imagine busy ships leaving Europe, people chasing new lives, new chances. German immigrants carried their food with them to America. And this is where everything could have gone wrong. Because in a fast-moving, crowded America, no one had time to sit down for a steak. Food had to be fast, cheap, easy to hold. So someone made a simple move, a move that changed everything. They took that Hamburg steak and placed it between two slices of bread. That's it, that moment. That's the birth of the burger. Portable, messy, perfect. But here's the crazy part. No one knows who did it first. Different places claim it. Wisconsin, Texas, Ohio. Everyone wants credit. No clear answer. And somehow, that mystery made it even bigger. Because once it started, it spread everywhere. Fast. Street vendors picked it up. Fairs made it popular. Workers depended on it. And then came the next evolution. People started asking, what if we make it better? So they added cheese. It melted and changed everything. Lettuce for crunch, tomato for freshness, sauces for flavor explosions. Each addition made it harder to resist. And then came speed. Small stands turned into systems. Orders got faster. Flavors stayed the same every time. That's when burgers stopped being just food. They became a habit, a craving, a global routine. Think about it. Late nights, road trips, quick lunches, hangouts with friends. The burger shows up in every moment. But here's the part most people miss. This wasn't planned. No one sat down and said, let's create the world's most popular food. It just happened, step by step, need by need, from survival to flavor to convenience to obsession. Imagine telling those horse riders that one day their saddle meat idea would turn into a global industry worth billions. It sounds impossible, but you're holding proof of it. And today, it's gone even further. Beef, chicken, fish, plant-based, vegan. Some burgers are simple and cheap. Others are stacked so high, you can barely bite them. Luxury restaurants serve them like art. Street vendors keep them raw and real. Different styles, same core idea. Simple food, made powerful by how people use it. So next time you take a bite, pause for a second. You're not just eating bread and meat. You're tasting history, movement, survival, innovation, all in one bite. And that's what makes it unforgettable. If this made you see burgers differently, hit like. And if you enjoy stories that turn everyday things into something bigger, subscribe. Because there's always a hidden story waiting. Now tap the video on your screen. Trust me, This next story will surprise you even more.